Hey you all, welcome back to my channel for another clean with me. Today I will be cleaning my kitchen and my bathroom. I wanted to clean my whole house for you guys, but it just didn't work in my favor. I ended up breaking my tripod while I was cleaning the bathroom. So hopefully tonight I will be ordering a new one. But I hope this gives you all the motivation that you need on this beautiful Monday.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue storm.
I was thinking, how could I make this video a little more exciting for you all? I decided throughout this video, I am going to name some of my favorite TV shows for you guys. I know personally, I am always looking for a good TV show on Netflix whenever I finish a season. So I thought maybe you guys need help too.
We always get back up again, you and me. Ooh, baby, you and me.
Alright, the first TV show that I have for you guys is 7 Seconds. This TV show is so good. It's only, I think, one season, but I finished this whole season in one night. I just couldn't stop watching it.
At night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue storm, you see. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile, hold your hand in
Alright, the second TV show I have for you guys is The Ranch. If you guys like humor and you guys want to laugh throughout the whole episode, that TV show is for you guys.
And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before.
All right, the third TV show is for all my girls out there. It's Good Girls. It is so funny. I was hooked right away.
I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine, yes I ran out of time.
All right, the fourth TV show I have for you guys is The Vampire Diaries, and I'm going to name the fifth one because it goes hand in hand. It is the spin-off, and it is The Originals.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it, damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine, yes I ran out of time, there's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
So the sixth TV show is my favorite, and that is Sons of Anarchy. I know that they don't make it anymore, but it is a really good one, and they have a bunch of seasons. And the seventh one is The Mayans.
I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, you know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the.
Number 9 is one that I have been loving at the moment, and that is Queen of the South.
You then let me make a 3D print of you. You, 3D of you, of you, of you, 3D of you. Yeah, you, 3D of you, of you, of you.
You guys, number 10 is another funny one, and that is Lethal Weapon.
Nobody else
Okay, you guys, I have to talk about this candle really fast. So I was at Walmart smelling all the fall candles, and of course, my little Miss Amelia had to smell every single one of them. And she kept saying yuck to all of them, except this one, which is pumpkin spice. She's like, delicious. So of course, I had to get it, but this candle has my whole house smelling amazing. Like, who needs Bath and Body Works, you guys? This candle was, I believe, like $4.95.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
All right, you guys, the last TV show I have for you all is The 100. It's a really good one. I think you all will like it. I also have a lot more. If you guys are interested, let me know. I can do another video like this. Also, if you guys have a really good TV show, let me know what it is in the comments. I would really appreciate it.
Vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi.
Guys, funny story. I don't know if you guys can see the tape, the blue tape in the basket, but after my tripod broke, I tried to tape it back together. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please give this video a like, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. As always, have a wonderful day.